quick filmmaker tip. When you get your lighting right and you can see your exposure is right, everything is looking good, you're looking at my wife and you see this very, very bright spot on her shadow. Well, that's cool. That's not the problem. As you can see, she picked up Liam and it disappears. What we're actually looking at, if you look to the right of her face, is that little bit of haze that is created by her burning bacon this morning.
Stop lying!
Well, it sounds better on camera if we say you're burning bacon.
No, it don't. It makes
bacon. Now I can actually see the haze now, the smoke. So she is cooking bacon and she didn't cut the exhaust fan on. Now the living room is smoky, but I was like, yo, Talia, wait, come back.
Yeah.
Come stand beside your mother. I'm really looking at the light and how beautiful it is. It will all make sense. This is just a quick vlog or a quick tutorial on atmosphere. The haze or the smoke is creating that lust that you see that is coming off the light from the window in the hallway. That's exactly what you're looking at. Mixed in with that smoke, and you can see it creating that haze.
Okay, I gotta go check my food.
Yes, you do have to check the food. I got what I needed. Thank you very much. Quick YouTube tip. Now you can really see it. Just a quick filmmaker tip. Oh, Liam had to get some shine too. Everybody else was on camera. Liam had to get some shine too. So, as you can see, he's got the nice little shadow. Yeah, lighting. Lighting is, I didn't say become a daredevil in the middle of my YouTube. Because there is no editing to this one, son. This is, get off the couch.
Okay.
I'm cutting up right now. So back to what I was saying, yeah, atmosphere, lighting. Once you get your light right, it's little things like that that you can add to the scene to make it more cinematic. And again, this was created by Christy Burning Bacon.
Stop!